3 outstandingly healthy fish to incorporate into your diet, and 3 to consider limiting. Did you know that not all fish are created equal in terms of health benefits? Some are nutritional powerhouses that may contribute to longevity, while others pose potential health risks. Today, we will explore 3 of the best fish to incorporate into your diet for optimal health, and 3 to avoid, one of which may surprise you. Read on to discover valuable insights that could transform your daily food choices. 3 excellent fish choices for a healthy diet. 1. Wild-caught salmon. An excellent source of omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that reduce inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, support brain function, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cancer. Wild-caught salmon boasts a higher omega-3 content than farmed salmon due to its natural diet of nutrient-rich algae and small fish. Rich in selenium. Selenium, a vital mineral, protects cells from free radical damage, enhances thyroid function, and supports the immune system. Salmon provides readily absorbable selenium, contributing to a reduced risk of chronic illnesses. Abundant in vitamin B12. Salmon is rich in vitamin B12, an essential nutrient for red blood cell production, maintaining a healthy nervous system, and supporting energy metabolism. 2. Sardines. Anchovies are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for reducing inflammation throughout the body. This is particularly beneficial in preventing cardiovascular disease and improving brain function, stabilizing blood pressure, and reducing the risk of stroke. Furthermore, they support eye health and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Anchovies are also rich in selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage, supports thyroid function, and boosts immunity, thus safeguarding against cellular damage and reducing cancer risk. As a natural source of copper, anchovies aid in collagen production, strengthening joint and gut health, and maintaining the elasticity of skin, blood vessels, and connective tissue. Finally, because anchovies are small and low on the food chain, they contain significantly lower levels of mercury and other heavy metals compared to larger fish like tuna or shark. 3. Mussels. Mussels, a superior source of high-quality protein. Mussels are exceptionally rich in protein, crucial for muscle maintenance and growth, particularly beneficial for seniors. Their protein is easier to digest than that found in red meat, reducing digestive strain. Furthermore, mussels are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, and enhance brain function, thereby lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as stroke, arthritis, and Alzheimer's. Mussels are also a significant source of selenium, a vital mineral protecting cells from free radical damage, boosting thyroid function, and strengthening the immune system. This contributes to hormone balance and the prevention of chronic illnesses. Finally, mussels are packed with essential trace minerals like zinc, iron, copper, manganese, and iodine, which improve bone health, support the immune system, and maintain thyroid function. Zinc and iron are especially important for energy production and nervous system support. 3 fish varieties to consider. Avoiding. 1. Shark mercury and heavy metal bioaccumulation. Sharks, apex predators of the marine food chain, consume numerous smaller fish. This process leads to bioaccumulation, resulting in the concentration of significant amounts of mercury and other toxins within their bodies. Elevated mercury levels in sharks pose serious health risks, including neurological disorders, particularly harmful to children and pregnant women, and cardiovascular issues, increasing the risk of heart disease and hypertension. However, proactive conservation efforts offer hope for the future. Sustainable practices and environmental conservation. Sharks' slow reproductive rates, lengthy maturation periods, and low reproductive output render their populations vulnerable to overfishing. Nevertheless, conservation initiatives focused on sustainable fishing practices and the prevention of finning are showing promise in protecting these vital creatures. Ecological role and positive impact. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. While overfishing poses a threat, successful conservation strategies can help restore and maintain these vital ecological roles. Mitigating negative environmental impacts. The abhorrent practice of finning, removing a shark's fins and discarding the body, is thankfully being addressed through stricter regulations and increased public awareness. These efforts are crucial in reducing wasteful practices and protecting shark populations. The future of shark conservation is promising, with continued dedication to sustainable practices and robust conservation measures. 2. Tuna high mercury levels. Tuna, particularly larger species like bluefin or albacore, occupy a high trophic level, leading to bioaccumulation of mercury and other heavy metals. While mercury can pose serious health risks, including neurological effects, especially concerning for children and pregnant women, cardiovascular issues, and impaired liver function, responsible sourcing and consumption can mitigate these concerns. Lower mercury options. Many canned tuna varieties, especially albacore, contain significantly higher mercury levels than chunk light tuna. Choosing lower mercury options reduces potential health risks. Quality considerations. Opting for high-quality canned tuna packed in healthy oils minimizes exposure to preservatives and ensures optimal nutritional benefits. Safe handling practices. Proper food handling and storage practices significantly reduce the risk of microbial contamination from bacteria such as Listeria or Salmonella. By making informed choices and prioritizing safe handling, consumers can enjoy the nutritional benefits of tuna while minimizing potential health risks. 3. Tilapia lower omega-3 content. Compared to fish like salmon or sardines, tilapia has a significantly lower omega-3 content, making it less ideal for cardiovascular health improvement. Tilapia's higher omega-6 to omega-3 ratio may promote inflammation if consumed excessively. However, a balanced diet incorporating various foods can still provide the necessary omega-3 fatty acids. Farming practices and potential risks. While some tilapia farming practices may raise concerns, advancements in aquaculture are continuously improving sustainability and safety. Improved farming techniques are focusing on cleaner water sources and responsible feed management to minimize potential risks. Nutritional consistency. While farmed tilapia may have a higher fat content than wild-caught varieties, responsible farming practices are working to optimize the nutritional profile, ensuring a more consistent and healthy product. Consumers can make informed choices by selecting tilapia from reputable and certified sustainable sources. Now you're aware of 3 excellent fish choices for improved health and 3 to avoid for potential risks. The decision is yours. Each selection impacts not only your well-being, but also our environment. If you found this information helpful, please like and share it with loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more nutritional guidance towards a healthier, more sustainable life. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue our exploration of the best foods for your well-being.